The Future of Medicine by 2050. Since the dawn of modern science, medicine has transformed the way we live. We've gone from simple remedies to robotic surgeries and genetic breakthroughs that once seemed impossible. But what will medicine look like in 2050? Let's take a look at how technology might completely change the way we heal. First, let's start with nanomedicine. Scientists are developing microscopic robots called nanobots that can move through our bloodstream to detect and treat diseases. By 2050, they could repair cells, fight infections, and even destroy cancer before it spreads. All from inside the body. Surgery as we know it might disappear, replaced by precise, invisible treatments at the cellular level. Next is artificial intelligence. AI is already helping doctors read scans and diagnose illnesses faster than ever. In the future, hospitals will rely on AI to monitor patients in real time, predict health problems, and even design personalized treatments. Doctors won't be replaced, but their roles will shift to working alongside smart machines that can think, learn, and react instantly. By 2050, genetic editing could remove many inherited diseases before birth. CRISPR and similar technologies are evolving fast, and they may help humans live longer, healthier lives. Some experts even predict that aging itself could become a treatable condition. Regenerative medicine. Another breakthrough is organ regeneration. Scientists are learning how to grow human organs from a patient's own cells. Imagine getting a new heart or kidney made just for you. No waiting lists, no rejection. That future may arrive sooner than we think. Conclusion. Medicine in 2050 will be smarter, faster, and deeply connected to technology. From nanobots to AI, from gene editing to organ growth, the future of healthcare is about prevention, precision, and longevity. One thing is certain: the way we experience life and health will never be the same again. What do you think? Will technology make us healthier or take us too far? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more looks into the future.